Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now, UK-based banking publication The Banker has named Scotia Group Jamaica Bank of the Year 2022 locally. Now, Scotia was also recognized as the Best Consumer Digital Bank 2022 by another world-renowned publication, Global Finance Magazine. Now, across Scotiabank's global operations, the Bank of the Year 2022 accolades have also been secured in Canada, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, and the Turks and Caicos Islands. The Banker is the world's longest-running international banking magazine, providing economic and financial intelligence for the world's financial sector. It selects one winning bank for each of the 120 countries judged and ranks them on their ability to deliver results, improve strategic positioning, and enhance service to customers. Investors in Jamaica will soon have easier access to securities in the Dutch Caribbean market. The Dutch Caribbean Securities Exchange, DCSX, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE, have entered an agreement to improve the financial services industry in their respective jurisdictions. Managing Director of the JSE, Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, welcomed the DCSX at a recent bell ringing.
We discussed technology, talent, and the twinning of the exchanges, and we believe that there is much to be gained from this memorandum of understanding in respect to cross-listings of securities the domicile in Jamaica, in the DCSX, or otherwise in terms of benefit to both institutions.
Now, details are still being finalized, but it's hoped that everything will be in place by early next year. Now, Jeanne Dugaff is Managing Director of the DCSX.
Has proven to be very successful in developing a liquid local market. It's a true example for us in Curaçao. JSB proved to be successful in building an exchange by, amongst others, creating relevant awareness within the local investor community. And it's that specific example that we would like to learn from you, to roll that out on the islands of the Dutch Caribbean, starting in Curaçao. Actually, we already started on a proactive basis to see how we can work together rolling out those activities.
From the securities market to the foreign exchange market, the US dollar is being sold for an average $154.82. $113.91 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $188.11 for the pound, while it's costing an average $158.43 for the euro. Now, most securities on the local stock market declined today, with 61 losers, 34 advances, and 18 trading firm. At the end of the session, the JSE index lost 1,994 points, while the junior market index dropped 59 points. Among the winners were Berger Paints, Haley Group, Portland JSX, Epley, and Proven Group US dollar shares. The decliners were led by Margaritaville Turks, Elite Diagnostic, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys.